Are you ready to future-proof your beauty routine? In 2024, we're embracing the ultimate health and beauty trends that will revolutionize the way we care for ourselves. First up, personalized skincare. No more guesswork when it comes to your skin type and concerns. With advanced AI technology, you can now get custom-made skincare products tailored specifically for your unique needs. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all solutions. Next, let's talk about the future of makeup. Say hello to augmented reality makeup applications that allow you to try on different looks with a simple tap of your phone. Whether you want to experiment with bold colors or find the perfect contour, Arkansas Makeup will bring your beauty game to a whole new level. Moving on to wellness, it's all about mindfulness. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine has incredible benefits for both your mental and physical well-being. Take a few minutes each day to calm your mind, reduce stress, and boost your overall health. But it's not just about the mind, it's also about what you put in your body. In 2024, the trend of functional foods and supplements continues to rise. Superfoods like collagen-boosting berries and probiotics are not only good for your inside, but they also enhance your beauty on the outside. Lastly, we can't forget the importance of sustainability. Eco-friendly beauty is the new standard. Look for products with recyclable packaging, cruelty-free certifications, and organic ingredients. Let's take care of our planet while taking care of ourselves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more future-proof beauty tips. Stay beautiful inside and out.